Welcome to Crossbeats Media in association with Altaf H. Wali. Godox has a wide range of flashes and strobes built in the 2.4 GHz wireless X system to trigger them wirelessly. There are various wireless triggers available for these flashes and strobes. Godox has three variants in TTL wireless category, and they are Godox X1, X2 and X Pro. Before knowing which is the best trigger for a setup, I want to explain some short words Godox uses to differentiate these triggers. Here, T means transmitter, 2.4G is the frequency, and S stands for the camera brand, here Sony. Godox triggers has dedicated hot shoe connector for specific camera brand, and so have such letters in square to specify the camera brand. Let's have a look at Godox X1. This trigger is very simple. Three control buttons on back work as multifunctional buttons. Means to set or change various functions, we need to press them as short press, long press, single press or double press. So my conclusion is most affordable trigger solution in X series, but not easy to remember and change functions in a quick photo shoot. Also, it lacks individual group buttons. Now let's see Godox X2. It looks similar to X1 but is an updated version. With individual group buttons on top, selector dial placed at bottom. Added features is Bluetooth connectivity. This trigger can be controlled through Godox Photo app on mobile phone. What is the use of this feature? Let's find out. Sometimes camera is placed at such a position that it is not easily reachable, especially while tethered shoot. So how do we control the trigger? Look at this BTS of the overhead shot. So my conclusion is very useful Bluetooth connectivity feature in some shoot situation. Easy to control 5 groups as having individual group button. Quick and secure hot shoe connector. Only the negative aspect is that it has a very small LCD display to view. Godox X Pro. Godox X Pro is a new design with big and better LCD display. As name says, gives very professional look. All controls are placed very systematically. The tilt design gives quick access to all function buttons conveniently and quickly. Only the Bluetooth connectivity is lacking in this model. Now here is a quick guide on how to set up trigger and strobe. My demonstration settings are channel number 7, ID number 10 and group A. For demonstration, I am using Godox X1. Trigger settings are as follows: power on, set channel to number 7, set ID to number 10. Flash or strobe settings are as follows: power on flash or strobe, activate wireless mode, set channel number to 7, set ID number to 10, set group to alphabet A, on trigger, select group A, select mode as manual or TTL. Change power output value, also control other functions from trigger. Example, modeling light, on and off. Adding another flash as group B. Repeat procedure 2 and set group to B. Trigger functionality for group B. Repeat procedure 3 by selecting group as B. These are the common feature of Godox X1, X2 and X Pro. In Godox SK400 kit, there is a small trigger included and it is Godox XT16. This small and cute trigger can perform most of the flash control very conveniently. XT16 doesn't support TTL auto flash. The best part of this trigger is that it having standard hot shoe connector, means that trigger can work with most of the camera brands. XT16 is the most affordable trigger solution without TTL. This video is made possible by Messrs. Altaf H. Wali, the Electronic Megastore. To get all the products shown in this video, contact them on this phone number or reach them on Instagram using this ID. They have the complete range of electronic gadgets, cameras and camera accessories. And also, these products are available on Easy EMI. Thank you for watching this video by Crossbeats. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is our Instagram and our website. Reach us through either of those for detailed setup consultancy or for our other services, which are photography classes, photo tours, photography and videography.